iOS 18 will make ANC in AirPods Pro more customizable with additional granular controls. Having occupied tipsters and experts to dig out the good and bad, the release of iOS 18 is inching closer with each passing day. Since the software update is designed to enhance the functionality of the iPhone, it's reportedly accompanying a range of new features for the AirPods Pro 2, striking the Apple earbuds with a sense of a revamp without actually receiving any upgrade. Provided the persistently rising hype around the latest iOS update, Gad Insider is here to give a comprehensive cover to one of its aspects. Best iOS 18 features for AirPods Pro 2: head gestures, voice isolation, better adaptive audio controls, voice quality in games, lower latency. Head gestures on iOS 18. Virtual assistants have become all the rage now, but they require a verbal command when it comes to attending or declining an incoming call, irrespective of a written one or a spoken one. But iOS 18 would bring an end to this with head gestures. Head gestures will let users control AirPods Pro by enabling them to nod their head up and down or shake it back and forth to decline a call or interact with Siri. When getting a call, iPhone users can shake their heads to decline it or nod yes to accept it, and all that without having to speak. iOS 18's voice isolation. As the name suggests, AirPods Pro will embrace an enhanced form of voice isolation to prevent notices in your surroundings when you're gaming or having an important call. Better adaptive audio controls on Apple AirPods. Although it seems similar to the voice isolation feature of AirPods Pro, it's developed to adjust active noise cancellation ANC. While it's residing in the AirPods since its inception, iOS 18 will make it more customizable and with additional granular controls. Improved voice quality for gaming with AirPods Pro 2. The AirPods Pro 2 are expected to receive compliments for its voice quality that gamers enjoy while voice chatting or live streaming, backed by dynamic head tracking and support for 16-bit 48 audio in games. iOS 18 brings lower latency AirPods Pro. This is one of the best AirPods features for which the iPhone maker touted its upcoming iOS update, claiming that it will ensure the best wireless audio latency ever for mobile gaming. Lower latency will reduce the time an in-game action takes to reach your ear, delivering a more responsive and synced experience of playing and hearing.